Welcome sa sit9.com. In this video, tutuloy natin ang ating series about calculus. No? And dito sa video na ito, pag-uusapan natin yung tangent problem. So kung napanood niyo yung previous video, ang pinag-uusapan natin doon ay meron tayong dalawang problems kung saan nanggaling yung calculus. No? Yung tangent problem at saka yung area problem. So, dito sa video na ito, pag-uusapan natin ay ang tangent problem. Now, just a recall, no? Kung hindi nyo napanood yung previous video. And by the way, I strongly suggest na panoorin nyo yung Calculus 1.01 dahil yun ang simula, no? Okay? So, before nyo panoorin to kung hindi nyo pa napapanood. Now, ano ba yung tangent problem, no? Ang tangent problem is about a function f, no? Kung saan nandun sa function f na yon, somewhere in the graph of function f, meron tayong point P. And yung point P na yan, may dumadaan dyan na tangent line. So here, we have function f and point P on function f and a line tangent to f through point P. Tangent line siya ng function f at dumadaan siya sa point P. Okay? So ang problems ng mga mathematicians, paano nila kukunin yung slope nitong line na to? Well, siguro sabi niyo madali lang naman yan. No? Well, madali kung may dalawa kang points. Pero dito, for example, wala itong mga coordinates na to. Paano mo kukunin to kung isa lang yung point mo? So remember the formula for slope, di ba? The formula for slope, m, no? Is equal to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1, di ba? Yan yung formula ng slope. But, ibig sabihin nito may dalawa kang points, no? These are the coordinates of 2 points, no? X sub 1, y sub 1, tsaka x sub 2, y sub 2, right? So, ibig sabihin, hindi natin magagamit yung formula na ito doon kasi isa lang yung point natin. Di ba? Okay, so paano sinolve ng mga mathematicians tong problem na to? No? So, ginawa nila, gumawa sila ng another point dun sa function, tapos kinonect nila ng line. So, if we name the point on the function q and connect p and q with a line, we have line pq. Now, question. Anong kinalaman ng line PQ dito sa slope ng line L? Kasi ito yung problema natin. We want to get the slope of this line. Well, notice what happens as I move Q towards P. Ano napapansin niyo? Ano napapansin niyo sa dalawang lines? As I move point Q towards P from the right, no? Halos magiging magkapatong na itong ano, no? Habang palapit ng palapit. Palapit din yung dalawang lines. No? Kasi lumalapit itong line na ito papunta dito. Ngayon, pag halos magkapatong na sila, halos equal na rin yung slope nila. No? Remember, ang dalawang lines, magiging equal lang ang slope niyan if they are parallel or they are coinciding, no? Coincident. Ibig sabihin, ng coincident, magkapatong silang dalawa. And as you can see, as I move point Q towards P, halos magiging magkapatong silang dalawa. So that's one observation. No? As Q, no? As Q approaches P from the right, galing sa kanan yung Q, di ba? Ano nangyayari? The slope of line PQ approaches, or maybe gets closer to the slope of line L. Okay, yun yung observation natin kanina, di ba? What about pagaling naman sa kabila yung Q? Ganon din ba? Okay. Pag galing naman siya sa left, going to the right. So, Q approaches P from the left. What happens to the line? Ganon din ba? Same din, di ba? Okay, halos the same then. Okay. So, from both sides, no? So, as Q, I think we can just copy and paste this. And then replace right with left, no? Okay. Just replace this with left. So, as Q approaches P from the left, the slope of line PQ gets closer and closer to the slope of line A. Same din, no? So, either side. Question. Gusto ba nating ipatong yung Q sa P? Do we want the 2 points to be coincident? No? Pwede ba nating ipatong? Well, the answer is no. Kasi pag ipinatong mo siya, magiging Q, pareho lang siya ng P. So, isang point ka pa rin. Hindi mo na-solve yung problema, bumalik ka doon sa original problem natin na isang point lang. Ibig sabihin, no, we want to make Q as close to P as possible. At ang ibig sabihin nitong close as possible means really, really close. Really, really, really close. Mali ating spelling ng really ko. Okay. Very, very close. No? Really, really. Kung pwedeng 100 na really, lalagay ko yan. No? Kaso sayang yung space. Really close. We want to make Q as close to P as possible, but not coincident with P. Ibig sabihin ng coincident, hindi sila dapat magkapatong. No? So, very close, but not coinciding. No? Okay? So, yung konsepto na to, pwede nating i-rephrase to, no? Using the word limit. No? So, pwede nating sabihin na the limit of the slope of PQ, no? As Q approaches P. From both sides yan, no? From both sides, is equal to the slope of line L. Tama ba? The limit of the slope of line PQ, no? Siguro lagyan natin ng line dito. Line PQ as Q approaches P from both sides is equal to the slope of line L. Okay. So basically, nasagot natin to. Wala nga lang tayong numbers. Sagot natin yung tanong kanina. Ano ba yung slope ng line L? So ito yun, di ba? Yun yung limit ng slope of line PQ. Remember, yung slope natin dito is number yan, no? Number. Slope is the rise over the run. And when you talk about the rise over run, pinag-usapan natin sa number. Now, theoretically, na-solve natin siya, kaso hindi lang natin siya na-solve yung specific function. No? Now, don't worry kasi halos ito yung pag-uusapan natin ng maraming videos pagkatapos nito, no? Yung limit. Now, remember yung word na limit na yan, no? Kasi marami tayong gagawing videos about limits. No? So, now, sabi nyo, parang overkill naman itong introduction natin sa calculus. No, hindi siya overkill, no? Kasi actually yun talaga yung ito talaga dapat yung pag-introduce yung concept, no? Kasi ang problema natin minsan, ang nag-introduce nito, magsa-substitute lang without introducing the concept. Mag-compute lang kayo ng limits without really knowing the meaning of limits. Na kung hindi nyo siya naintindihan, don't worry kasi marami pa tayong videos na gagawin and unti-unti, no? Unti-unti habang pinapanood nyo yung mga videos na yan ay maintindihan nyo ibig sabihin dito. You don't have to worry if you don't understand this, no? Marami pa tayong videos. Pag natapos nyo panoorin yung mga videos na yon, tsaka nyo balikan to and later makikita nyo, ganun pala yung ibig sabihin. Okay? So, ang susunod natin na video is yung ating area problem. Ito yung tangent problem. Ito yung unang problem. Pag sinabi mo sa time, kung time yung pinag-uusapan, nauna yung area problem. No? Kaso ang organization kasi ngayon ng mga calculus books, nauna yung differential calculus. And kung napanood niyo yung previous video, sabi ko sa inyo, this problem, the tangent problem, was actually the origin of differential calculus. No? And sa mga books na una yung differential calculus kaysa integral calculus. Okay, so I hope meron kayo natutunan sa video na to. I will see you in the next tutorial. Abangan niyo yung ating tutorial on area problem. Maraming salamat. See you in the next tutorial.